everybody, and welcome back to the Classic Creators Agency. I'm Agent the Singer, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to keep your account free from hackers. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to make sure you don't give out any of your personal information, such as your passwords or your phone number connected to your account. The second thing is you want to make sure that you only checking Beagle official messages, right? There are two sets of messages when you open up your account. There's one that says messages. There's another one that says official messages. Official messages, you can click all of those links, but never click links in the regular messages because somebody could be trying to hack your account. So keep that account clean and free of hackers. All right, go and be successful on Beagle Live. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss any more of our training videos. All right, see you next time. Bye.